let us introduce Planika's unique solution. Patent pending, Planika's automatic fuel pump. The pump works only when the fireplace is plugged and all its sensors work. All the elements of the set are listed and followed by an instruction. Open the plate, plug connector, place the rod in the fuel container, and squeeze. The pump is controlled by the microprocessor inside the fireplace. It turns off when the fuel container gets empty. When the fuel tank is full, even if there is still fuel in the bottle. When the pumping stops, press the plate. Plug's construction guarantees no spillage or leak. With this pump, we take the responsibility for filling your fireplace with fuel, eliminating the risk of common mistakes. All you need to do is plug it, squeeze it, and enjoy real fire. Only we could invent it. Planika's automatic fuel pump.